Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the economic ripple effects of Trump's sweeping tariffs, including a 25% levy on Canadian and Mexican imports and a 10% tariff on Chinese goods, which Deutsche Bank calls the largest shock to trade in 5 decades. As U.S. businesses brace for inevitable price hikes, oil prices climb after hours following Trump's indication of less than a 10% tariff on Canadian crude. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's DOGE makes headlines by gaining access to the Treasury Department's payments system. In other news, X intensifies its legal battle by adding more companies to its lawsuit over an advertising boycott. A recent report reveals that ACA health insurers denied 1 in 5 medical claims in 2023. Additionally, Bill Ackman's management company plans to relocate its incorporation from Delaware to Nevada. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth analysis of these stories and their implications for global markets and everyday consumers alike. President Donald Trump announced new tariffs starting Tuesday, 25% on most imports from Canada and Mexico, 10% on Chinese goods, and Canadian energy products will face a 10% tariff. These measures were implemented through the International Trade Framework.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has given the Department of Government Efficiency, headed by Elon Musk, complete access to the federal payment system. This was reported by the New York Times, based on information from 3 informed sources.
Crude oil futures increased in after-hours trading following President Donald Trump's announcement that U.S. tariffs would be applied to crude oil. He also mentioned possibly reducing tariffs on Canadian oil from 25% to 10%, beginning around February 18th.
NewsX has broadened its lawsuit, alleging that an advertising coalition unlawfully withheld ads from its social media platform. The Wall Street Journal reports that the platform, owned by Elon Musk, has now added Abbott Laboratories to the legal action.
Health insurers on the Federal Health Insurance Exchange denied around 20% of medical service claims in 2023, according to a report from the Kaiser Family Foundation.
Billionaire hedge fund manager Bill Ackman announced that Pershing Square Capital, his management company, is relocating its incorporation from Delaware to Nevada. This move follows a trend of companies opting for Nevada due to its business-friendly environment.
Deutsche Bank analysts suggest that the Trump administration's tariff plans on goods from Mexico, Canada, and China could lead to the most significant disruption in global trade policy since the end of the Bretton Woods system.
Businesses in the United States are preparing for changes as President Donald Trump enacts 25% tariffs on imports from Canada, Mexico, and China. These nations are America's leading suppliers, and the new tariffs could greatly influence trade dynamics.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.